everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix why is login not working step by step. First, double check your email and password and make sure that there are no typing errors. Even a small mistake can stop you from logging in. Then check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure that it is stable. Now, if you've forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password and follow these steps to reset it. Wise may also require two-factor authentication, so make sure you've entered the correct verification code. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Or you could restart your phone to fix the temporary glitches. Also, head over to your app store or your Play Store and then search for the Wise app. Make sure that you've updated the app to the latest version, as outdated versions can cause login issues. If the problem continues, wait a few minutes and try again, as it could be a temporary server issue. That's how you fix Wise login not working. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on another helpful guide.